Nowadays, textile production and printing can be truly ecological and friendly towards people and the environment. But is it possible to print on the t-shirt so naturally that it can return its residual value to the earth once we no longer wear it? We will try to find out in our Merchu experiment. Watch with us how. With the help of new fully compostable inks, we will return to nature what it gave us when the t-shirt was produced. But let's take it one step at a time. What will we need for the experiment? The organic undyed cotton t-shirt from our favorite brand Stanley Stella is GOTS certified and manufactured in accordance with the highest environmental and ethical standards. Thanks to a very gentle processing and a naturally creamy shade, we can also observe small traces of a cotton plant on the texture. Its processing is so gentle that it decomposes naturally in nature. The unique water-based pigment inks are the first compostable pigments in accordance with the cradle-to-cradle platinum standard. Not only do they decompose naturally, but they also give the soil a lot of nutrients for its further use. A prototype of unique compostable packaging from nonylon was created for us in Slovakia. More than a decade of development, under the leadership of Professor Alexei, has brought us a special biodegradable eco-plastic, which is the first in the world made from organic sources. Nonylon packaging bags decompose very well in all biologically active systems, such as soil or controlled composting sites, without leaving any environmental footprint, and are thus 100% compostable. We will bury our printed t-shirt together with the packaging in the Grow Cube seedbed. A so-called Grow Cube are modern raised seedbeds designed for organic vegetable growing. Thanks to the implementation of permaculture principles and polyculture planting, they produce a lot of organic vegetables. It is an ideal place to verify the benefits of a compostable printed t-shirt for the soil. In the seedbed, the t-shirt decomposes and nourishes the soil. The raw materials used for its production circulate and do not form waste. After several harvests, it was time to find out what was left of the t-shirt and the packaging. The printed t-shirt and cover are almost unfolded. If we weren't eager and gave it a few more days, we wouldn't find a trace of them in the soil. As our experiment confirmed, the production of printed textile and the packaging do not have to burden nature and our health, but quite the contrary. Instead of becoming waste, textile can once again become a natural source of nutrients and return to nature what we took from it during production. The technological development allows us to take full advantage of the value of clothing and at the same time protect our health and the environment. Merchu compostable textile printing is a unique contribution to the creation of a real circular t-shirt. We introduce clothing that can be easily composted after no longer being worn, to make it a natural resource again, and thus complete a sustainable cycle with minimal waste generation, all in accordance with the principles of circular economy. Our future depends on the ability to look for more responsible solutions and close sustainable product cycles. This is the only way we have a chance to live a quality and healthy life. Join us for this change by choosing compostable printing and be among the first to try it.